Hey friends, today I want us to demonstrate how um, a two-way switch and intermediate switch works. I've arranged my switches right here for simplicity. This is our two-way switch. Uh, this is our intermediate switch. Let me try to increase a bit. Okay, so this is our intermediate switch. This is our two-way. We also have another two-way right here. Okay. We have our lamp. Let's place it there. So this is our lamp. Uh, we have our breaker, our MCB. We have our neutral line. Let me put it somewhere here. Okay. Then we have our phase. This is our phase. Let me put it right here. Okay. So this is our breaker. This is our breaker. Let's apply it with power. Then this is our switch. This is our switch. We also have this is our intermediate. So this two-way switch has these two-way terminals. We have terminal 2 and terminal 4. This terminal 1 is the common, and this is where we have connected our phase supply. So these two terminals, the terminal 2 and terminal 4, they go direct to an intermediate switch. Let's try to connect it and see. Terminal 4 to terminal 2, terminal 2 to terminal 4. Then the intermediate switch has 4 terminals. When you look inside the intermediate switch, you will see there is a LO1, LO2, LO3, and LO4. So LO1 is this one here. Then we have LO2, LO3, LO4. Just that here they are just indicated as numbers. There is no L and stuff. So this is our intermediate, and this is how it precisely looks inside. So from our intermediate, we shall connect the other two-way switch, one to number 2, then terminal 3 to terminal 4. Then we shall connect our common terminal to the second two-way switch, to our light bulb. So this is our common terminal. Then this one will definitely go to the neutral. So we can simulate and see how it works. Okay, so when I close the breaker right here, you can see that our lamp is producing light. And if I try to switch off any of the switches, be this one, be this, or this, our light will just go off. So I can try to switch off the intermediate switch. You can see our light has gone off. If I switch it back, it goes back on. And if I try to switch off this one, the second switch, our light will go off. You can see it's off. It's no longer lighting. And if I go and switch on this, you can see our light is on. So you can apply this kind of switch on long corridors, on staircases. Let's say on the ground floor you have placed this kind of switch. Then somewhere in the middle you press the intermediate switch. Then at the extreme end or the upper floor, you can also you put in this switch. So any person, whenever they are, they can switch on the light on and off. When you're entering, you can switch on the light, you can switch it off. the person up at the last floor, they can also switch on the light, they can switch it off. The person in the middle, they can also switch on the light and off. So you can, let's say, if it's a really long corridor, you can place these intermediate switches as many as you want, you know. So it doesn't matter. You can place there 10 intermediate switches, 4, 5, depending on on the choice that you want. So maybe we can try to place in another intermediate switch, and we'll see how it will work out. So let me first stop right here. Let me disconnect this line so that I can put in another intermediate switch. Let me remove this. Okay, let me put in another intermediate switch, and we see how it works out. Okay. Okay, so let me place it here and connect it right here. So this is another intermediate switch that I've placed there. Okay, so let's play and see. So this is our second switch. So right now our circuit, our light is off because the brake is open. So let's try to switch on the breaker. So you can see the light is off because this switch right here is on the open position. So when I try to press this switch that I've just put in there, you can see that our light is lighting. When I try to switch it off from this point here, this intermediate switch, switch 2, you can see it will go off. Then switch it on here, it's on. You can switch it off from the switch 3, it's off. Then this intermediate switch that we have just put it there, you can see that our light is on. So you can